Alright guys, this just came in today from BRONCBUSTER. It is the 1.5 inch wheel spacers. I just finished unwrapping our wheel spacers. It is 1.5 inches from BRONCBUSTER, made in the USA. So there's already 2 of them right here. Man, it looks it's heavy and it looks amazing. And then here's the second box right here. And it also comes with the instructions as well. I just finished opening up the second pair of wheel spacers. All 4 of them right here. So we're now working on our BRONCBUSTER 1.5 inch wheel spacer. And these are our tools right here. We have the impact driver, and then we have another half impact, and then we have our jack right here. And then we also are going to use our ARB jack too as well. So we have our jack underneath the control arm, lower control arm. Our tire is already spinning. And then we have this for backup, our jack from ARB.
We're just loosening the bolts. We're doing it manual, and then once it's all loose, we're going to use the impact drive.
Or I could just do it pure manual. It's easy anyways.
Yeah. Right, so now we're putting the wheel spacer.
And 6.
Okay.
And then 2, 3. There we go.
No, you already did that.
Oh, okay. Then I go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Then we're just gonna do all of it.
All of it, yeah. Then now the bottom.
Alright, it's all tight. So now we just need to put the tires.
Yeah, it says in the instructions you have to hear 6 clicks. We finally got the tire in. Wow, putting the tire in is actually harder than expected. But we finally did it.
See, it's more inner to now
Outer.
here that is more outer. So it kind of matched now with the edge of the fenders.
Yeah. Isn't that cool?
I know, it's nice. Okay, so we are now in the driver's side.
Yep.
We're just loosening all of the bolts, and then we're going to lift the car again. So we are now moving to the rear driver's side. So we just had to look for a jack point for the tires to be lifted.
There. Ready?
All of it?
Yeah, ready to lift.
Okay, so ready to remove the tires. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
we put the tire back. Now we're just tightening all the bolts or lug nuts.
We just finished doing this, the rear driver and the front driver, and also the front passenger. We're now going to be doing the rear passenger. So this is the width now. Oh wow, it passes the fender.
Yeah.
Before this was more inner. Even the other one too, the front, it's now past it now. Oh, see, like this one, we haven't done this one yet. Look, the tires on this is more inner.
Passenger rear, almost done.
Yup, the last tire.
I know. It's hard because it's heavy.
Yeah, I know. It's like your regular tire.
Yeah. Right. Got this. Whoa. There you go. We put the BRONCBUSTER. Now we're just putting all the screws.
One,
All right.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So we put the back tire now, or
Yep.
rear tire. Oh wow, look at that. Huge difference.
Sticks out more now.
Yeah.
I guess
nice.
now all we need now is just bigger tires.
Oh no.
Oh, and suspension.
I know. It
But-
adds up, guys.
But without adding the suspension, the 37-inch tires will fit perfectly.
Yeah. We're test driving.
So far, so good. It feels like the same.
Feels like the same, right?
Yeah, as if like nothing was added.
Uh-huh.
Well, I'm trying to brake right now. Let's see.
Uh-huh.
I'm braking.
Braking. Alright. You're good.
Completely brake. Perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
As if
Then
like,
I say-
as if nothing was added.
Yeah. Let me switch the camera to show
Yeah.
them. So here's the tires now in the front. I mean, I can see it now here because it's now wider. It's like out.
We have some rocky parts here.
I know. Oh. Here. Whoa.
So we're here at Rib Bros. Ooh, wait, look at that. We got
So
some
good.
corn, coleslaw, ribs,
Ribs,
and
cornbread.
cornbread. And here's the barbecue sauce. This thing got stuck.
Oh no. 3 more to go.
3 more to go.